Alright, imagine soaring above traffic in sleek, silent electric vehicles zipping through the skies and waters with all the freedom you want. This is the future of transportation. Welcome to Galore Techs. In this video, we'll explore groundbreaking inventions that are set to revolutionize how we travel, from cutting-edge eVTOLs to next-gen automobiles. These innovations promise to make our commutes faster, greener, and more exhilarating than ever. So buckle up, as we are diving into the mind-blowing technology that's transforming science fiction into everyday reality. Number 1. AC Future's ETH. AC Future, it's a startup based in California, has unveiled an extraordinary new camper, the ETH, designed in collaboration with the renowned design house Pininfarina. It's basically an electric transformer house and it's revolutionizing the RV world. This remarkable vehicle measures 240 inches in length and 96 inches in width. When you activate its transformer mode, it expands into a spacious 400 square foot living area. Yeah, you heard that right. This vehicle can even accommodate a generous bed and living area. And on the opposite side, it pops out, creating a space for another bed and even a hallway. To top it all off, the ETH features a rooftop water generator that captures moisture from the air, producing up to 13 gallons of water per day. Now, this innovative design transforms the camping experience, combining luxury and sustainability in one impressive package. Number 2. The Icon Emission-Free Yacht. Introducing the Icon, a groundbreaking 13.5-meter yacht hailed as the world's first emissions-free luxury vessel. This 100% sustainable yacht sets a new standard in eco-friendly marine travel. Powered by advanced BMW batteries, the Icon uses innovative foils to hover above the water and reduces resistance, allowing efficient electrification. This design not only cuts energy consumption by up to 80% compared to traditional yachts, but also ensures a serene and silent voyage. The inside of this yacht is no less than spectacular, with a 21 square meter lounge-like space with breathtaking 360-degree ocean views. Passengers can enjoy the luxury of a high-end yacht without the noise or pollution, making every journey a peaceful escape. Number 3. ASAP Hybrid Helicopter. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is a revolutionary hybrid electric aircraft designed to transform the future of our air travel. This innovative machine blends the best features of a futuristic helicopter and a current-day airplane, offering two distinct configurations: helicopter mode and airplane mode. Makes sense. The hybrid electric technology behind ASAP makes it quieter, safer, and more fuel efficient than traditional helicopters. Not only does this cutting-edge design reduce noise pollution and enhance passenger safety, but it also significantly increases fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Now, in helicopter mode, ASAP provides the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities needed for urban mobility and remote locations. And when it's swapped to airplane mode, it delivers the speed and efficiency of fixed-wing flight, perfect for longer journeys. But sadly, it's only a concept for now. Number 4. Triton 660-9 Ava. Who wants to experience underwater life like never before? Meet the Triton 660-9 Ava, a game-changing, luxury submersible that takes underwater exploration to new depths and enjoyment. This immersive vessel accommodates up to 9 adults, or a mix of 7 adults and 4 children, making it perfect for family adventures or exclusive gatherings. It's designed for scenic, luxury cruises and can dive to an astonishing 660 feet and stay submerged for up to 12 hours, offering unparalleled underwater experiences. What sets this submersible apart is its free-form acrylic pressure hull, providing panoramic views of the underwater world. Imagine gazing out at vibrant marine life and stunning underwater landscapes from the comfort of a luxurious and dry interior. Awesome, right? Number 5. Aerospace VA-X2. Now, this is Aerospace VA-X2, the world's first electric air taxi capable of carrying up to 250 kilograms. Originally known as the Seraph, the VA-X2 prototype completed its maiden flight in 2019. marking a significant milestone in urban air mobility. This innovative aircraft can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers an hour, offering a fast and efficient way to navigate busy cities. The VA-X2 stands out with its unique passive cooling system, ensuring optimal performance without the need for heavier cooling mechanisms. Its customizable design means the aircraft can be tailored to various needs, whether larger or smaller. Additionally, it can be fitted with wheels for traditional landings or floats for water landings. Imagine gliding over traffic, arriving at your destination swiftly and comfortably, while still contributing to a greener planet with zero emissions. How cool! Number 6. Emotion eVTOL Aircraft. Meet the Emotion eVTOL aircraft, an all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing marvel designed for efficiency and sleek aerodynamics. With a top speed of 250 kilometers an hour and a range of 600 kilometers, this lightweight aircraft redefines personal and urban air travel. Every detail of the Emotion aircraft is meticulously crafted, from its innovative design to its optimized aerodynamic configuration. The passenger unlocks it by waving a key card near the Falcon door handle to enter that stunning interior. Inside, the main instrument panel features a giant touchscreen serving as your control hub. Whether it's setting your destination, adjusting the climate control, or just playing your favorite music, everything is at your fingertips. Sliding behind the controls of the Emotion aircraft is an exhilarating experience, blending cutting-edge tech with unparalleled comfort and style. Number 7. Hill Helicopters HX50. Check out the Hill Helicopters HX50, a 5-seat turbine-powered marvel designed for private owners seeking a personalized flying experience. The company is marketing this helicopter as the world's first personal helicopter. It's powered by a GT50 turbine engine producing 500 horsepower and can attain a speed of 140 knots with a maximum range of 700 nautical miles. Its 3-blade rotor system and 185-gallon fuel capacity ensure a robust performance and a long-distance travel. Now, unlike helicopters built for fleet operators, the HX50 caters to recreational pilots, with a digital cockpit featuring two 15-inch glass instrument panels and an integrated iPad. This setup provides an intuitive and modern flying interface. Additionally, the HX50 includes a spacious luggage compartment, making it perfect for personal travel and adventures. Number 8. TenFold Engineering Unfolding Prototype. For those seeking a quick and efficient housing solution, TenFold Engineering offers a groundbreaking option. Imagine transforming a compact delivery into a fully functional living or working space in just minutes. This UK-based company has developed a modular self-deploying structure offering, well, exactly that. Delivered by truck, these units can expand to 3 times their transport size in just 8 minutes, providing an instant living space. The versatility of these units is remarkable. They can serve as temporary shelters, offices, workshops, classrooms, and even clinics. Each unit comes fully equipped with internal fittings and fixtures, ready for immediate use. Whether you need a single unit or a larger, more complex structure, TenFold's designs can be interlinked or stacked to create larger homes or even hotel-style buildings. It's an ideal solution for those in need of a quick, adaptable, and comfortable accommodation. Number 9. SkyPak V1. SkyPak V1 is such a crazy good and revolutionary invention. It's a one-person, electric, unmanned multi-copter backpack designed for advanced air mobility. Developed by Daniel Gant, a mechanical engineer and model aircraft enthusiast, this innovative flight demonstrator proves that personal flight can be stable and controlled while carrying a person. The SkyPak V1 features 12 propellers and 12 electric motors, ensuring balanced and efficient flight. Although the flight time is currently limited to 2 minutes and the cruise speed and range are still unknown, this prototype showcases the potential for future development in personal aerial transportation. It weighs 80 pounds when empty and can carry a payload of up to 90 pounds, and as an ultralight aircraft, it doesn't require a license to fly, making it accessible for personal use. Number 10. SkyOV. The SkyOV is a visionary supersonic plane concept designed by Barcelona-based industrial and concept designer Oscar Viñals. This futuristic aircraft features a sleek, curved arrowhead body flanked by a blended wing system that ingeniously folds up when not in use. The SkyOV is powered by hydrogen fuel and electric power, incorporating cutting-edge bladeless turbojet engines and innovative solar technology. The aircraft is equipped with solar dots on the ceiling that convert sunlight into electricity, and quantum solar dots on the exterior that further enhances energy efficiency. Its exterior looks like something out of the sci-fi genre, and it spans 149 feet with an interior designed for comfort, accommodating up to 200 passengers. This design not only optimizes aerodynamics and reduces weight, but also promises a quieter and more environmentally friendly flight experience. So there you have it. Which of the cool inventions do you find the most fascinating? Write it down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Text videos. Thanks for watching.